Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world. We have here our Rubik's Cube, and this is what we're doing. We are solving it using the CFOP method. We're going to review the first 3 steps. Step number 1 is creating a daisy. We're going to choose 2 opposite center stickers to create our daisy. If this is my bottom center sticker, which is a flat sticker that has a little cutout to it, I will use that as my petals around the center of the opposite centerpiece. This is what's called the daisy. The final product is going to have 4 petals that are the exact same color or texture as the opposite centerpiece. The purpose of step 1 is to create a daisy. And if we were to compare that to a numerical keypad, then our top face will have buttons number 2, 4, and 6, as well as 8 matching. We will have the same color or texture, and those 4 stickers will be surrounding the centerpiece, which is of the opposite color or texture. This is the completion of step number 1. Step number 2 is going to take our daisy from the top and we're going to bring it to the bottom. As you can see, we have the edge pieces on the top floor that are part of the petals of the daisy, and they are matching to the bottom center. Therefore, we will be bringing the petals from the top face to the bottom. The purpose of step number 2 is to create a cross on the bottom, and this cross is going to remain there for the entire solve of the cube. Step 2 will mean that we will have to rotate the upper face clockwise or counterclockwise. And we will do just that until we have an edge piece that is matching to the front center sticker. My daisy is still on the top, and the edge piece that creates the petal is facing upwards. The upward petal is on the top face, and the second sticker of the 2-sided edge piece matches to the center of the front face. Therefore, the edge piece on the upper 3rd floor is in position button number 8 as compared to numerical keypad on the front face. Therefore, buttons number 5, the center, and button number 8, just above it, are matching. I still have the daisy on the top, but in order to convert it to a cross, I need to position my edge pieces so they're ready to be dropped down from the 3rd floor to the 1st floor. How will I do that? I will rotate my front face clockwise or counterclockwise twice. This is also known as F2. In doing so, I have taken my edge piece into its final resting place, and that means the bottom sticker of the centerpiece matches to the bottom center, as well as the front of the edge piece on the front face matches. Therefore, buttons number 5 and number 2 on the bottom 1st floor are matching, and they are also starting to create a cross on the bottom. We will continue to make sure that our second edge piece is ready to be dropped down. How do we do that? We go back to the top face by rotating it clockwise or upper clockwise. Remember, the cross is being created on the bottom face. And now I have another edge piece that still has the petal facing to the top, and it also has a second sticker on the edge piece where the outward facing sticker of that petal, of that top 3rd floor edge piece, is matching to the center sticker of the front face. Now, I am ready to drop it down by rotating my front face twice. Here is another petal that was brought up from the top to the bottom, and this edge piece also matches the bottom center sticker on the bottom face as well as on the front face. Therefore, buttons number 5 and number 2 are matching. We're starting to make sure that our edge pieces that are on the 1st floor are in their final position. This is the purpose of step number 2. I'm going to rotate my upper face again, and I'm going to pick a new front face. I have my upper edge piece on the top matching to the front face. The edge piece, which is a 2-sided or 2-stickered piece, is matching so that the upper third floor edge piece sticker is matching also to the center sticker on the front face. Again, we have buttons number 8 and number 5 matching on our new front face. And by rotating this front face twice, we're going to take it all the way from the top to the bottom. There is that new edge piece that used to be part of the pedal. It's matching to the bottom center, and it is also matching to the front center sticker. I have one more pedal at the top to complete my step number 2. I'm going to rotate it so that my outward facing sticker on the upper third floor of my two-sided edge piece is matching to the centerpiece on the front face. And it does. On the top, our daisy is almost completely disassembled. We have only one pedal left. The two-sided edge piece that we have up on the third floor will be rotated by moving the front face twice, clockwise or counterclockwise, and that will take our edge piece into its final resting place, which means that the two-sided edge piece is going to match to both of the center stickers that it's affecting, which is the front as well as the bottom. And now we have completed our step number 2. We've made sure that we have what's called the cross on the bottom face. If I examine the bottom face and compare it to a numerical keypad, my buttons in position number 2, 4, 5, 6, and number 8 are exactly the same. The daisy and the cross are very similar. The only difference is that the daisy has a center sticker that is different, of the opposite centerpiece. We now have the cross, where the 4 edge pieces are surrounding the exact same centerpiece. This is the purpose of step number 2. And once we have completed our cross on the bottom, this will remain on the bottom for the entire solve of the cube. As you can see, we're starting to match up on the outward facing stickers, the center sticker that is in position button 5 to number 2, and what's left are our corner pieces. If we do make sure that the corner pieces are finished, then that will mean the entire bottom floor will be solved. This is our beautiful pretend structure, and we're doing this so that we can finish the bottom floor. It is helpful to think of the Rubik's Cube as a pretend building, because we need to make sure the foundation is solid before we continue on to the second floor or the third floor. I'm going to look for corner pieces on the top face or on the upper third floor so that they're matching to the bottom center sticker on the bottom face. I have one right here. I need this center sticker to be on the upper third floor corner, but I also need it to be matching in such a way that it is facing the outward facing side. Here it is. It is on its outward facing side. That means I don't want this bottom center sticker to be on the top face. I want it to be in a more horizontal plane. This means that the upper center sticker will be ignored. The second center sticker, which is matching to the bottom center on my three-sided corner piece, is important so that I can make sure that I have identified the proper corner piece. The first sticker on the three-sided corner piece is what we want to compare to our center sticker on an outward facing side. And again, I am rotating my upper face clockwise or counterclockwise so that the center sticker on the front face is going to match diagonally to the corner piece that I will be taking from the third floor to the first floor. This is called step number 3, and it's also nicknamed as the trigger, left-hand trigger or right-hand trigger. And in my case, I would like to call this the elevator move. This is the left-hand trigger. How do we know that? Our outward facing front center sticker has a button that matches diagonally, and it is to the left of the center sticker. That is why this is called the left-hand trigger. And to complete the left-hand trigger, we're going to rotate the left face counterclockwise, upper face counterclockwise, and the left face clockwise. I have taken what was on the upper third floor, which was our corner piece, and brought it down to the first floor. It is in its final resting place because this three-sided corner piece matches to the center sticker on the left side. It also matches to the center sticker on the front face, and the same side and the same three-sided corner piece matches to the bottom center sticker on the bottom face. It means that it is in its final resting place, and we will continue to bring all the pieces from the third floor, the corner pieces, and dropping them down into the first floor so that they're in their final position. I have another three-sided corner piece here that has an outward facing sticker that matches to the bottom center. This is wonderful. This is the right corner, and it is also positioned so that it is ready to be dropped down. I will examine not the third sticker, but the first sticker, which is also in the horizontal plane on this three-sided corner piece. I want to make sure that my upper corner sticker matches to the center sticker on the outward facing side. By rotating my upper face clockwise or counterclockwise, I found another front face where the center sticker matches diagonally, and it is to the right. It means that if I compare this front face to a numerical keypad, my buttons number 5 and buttons number 9 are matching. This three-sided corner piece has the corner or the sticker that matches directly to the bottom center. That's the one I want. This is the corner piece that will be part of our trigger move, and that is called the right hand trigger. Ready? We're going to rotate our right face clockwise, upper face clockwise, and the right face again counterclockwise. I have taken what was up on the third floor in position button number 9, and I brought it down to position button number 3. My three-sided corner piece now matches to the 3 center stickers that it is affecting. It matches to the bottom center. It also matches to the 2 front-facing or outward-facing sides that it is a part of. That is why this corner piece is now in its final resting place. And I will continue to look for stickers on my upper third floor that I can take from the top to the bottom. I have another one where I've got my bottom center sticker that matches to the bottom center on one of the corners that has 3 different sides. The other horizontal sticker, which has the felt to it, needs to match on the front face to an outward facing side. I have now positioned my button number 7 in such a way that it matches diagonally to a button number 5 on the front face. The sticker that is matching to the bottom center is part of that cross too, which is wonderful. But I am now ready to do another trigger move. Is it the left or the right? Can you tell?
Left.
This is the left hand trigger because the center sticker on the front face has a matching center sticker on the upper left side. And this is the left hand trigger. So we're going to rotate our left side counterclockwise, upper face counterclockwise, and again our left side clockwise. And we have taken our corner piece that was on the upper third floor and we brought it down to the first floor.
Yeah.
Take a look at this. We're starting to complete almost the entire bottom floor. We've got 3 corners or 3 pieces on the first floor done on this face. If we continue to look around, we will confirm that there's only 1 corner left to do.
One is like this.
So what we're going to do is look for our upper third face to see if we have a corner piece. And I believe that we should have an outward facing side that has a 3-sided corner piece. Yes, that is ready to be taken down from the top floor to the bottom floor. Here is our corner piece that needs to be brought down from the 3rd floor to the 1st floor. How do I know if it's in the right position? Number one, when I examine the bottom face, I see that there's only one corner that doesn't belong there. I will take my corner piece that belongs on the bottom, that is still on the upper 3rd floor, and I will line it up. I want to make sure that in order to do the trigger move, I must have the bottom center sticker that matches to the bottom center on my upper 3rd floor in an outward facing position. In this case, it is on my left face. I'm going to make sure that my front face center sticker matches diagonally to the corner piece on the top floor. It does. Therefore, I have a 3rd floor button number 7 matching to the 2nd floor button number 5, and they're matching diagonally, and they are on the left side. The upper 3rd floor 3-sided corner piece is to the left of the center sticker on the front. I am ready to perform what's called the left hand trigger, which again means left face is being turned counterclockwise, upper face is counterclockwise, and again our left face is being rotated clockwise. And here is the completion of 3 steps. We're going to make sure that all of our outward facing stickers, which are the front doors, our pretend windows of the pretend building, are finished and that they're matching to button number 5 of every face. And as a bonus, we have the entire bottom floor, bottom face done. The purpose of solving the cube by layers is that we are solving for pieces, not for stickers. If we were solving for stickers, we would only care about the bottom face being done. But we're making sure that each piece on the 1st floor of our pretend building is in its final place so that it matches to the center sticker of every outward facing side. And this is the purpose of solving steps number 1, 2, and 3